Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having a lovely blessed day. For this video I'm going to be counting the money that's in my safe box. Why do I have this money? Now the reason why I have this money is so I can save up to pay like bigger amounts for my credit card. So anytime that I do get paid from work, I put the money here and then I just make like a big credit card payment. So that's why I have my money saved up here. I'm just hoping that I'll be able to save up a lot and pay like a big portion. I mean, at least I'm just trying. Hopefully it goes well. Did I lock it? I unlocked it, I guess. There we go. This $100 bill is what I saved whenever I did my cash stuffing in my binder. Card is going to get $100. This is for a credit card payment, and I just leave it in here. And then once I save like a big amount, I make a big credit card payment. So let's see how much money we have. I have a couple coins. You know, remember the coins that I had from the bank from the last cash stuffing? I'm just going to put them in here. Should I put these inside the piggy? What I should do, but with these nails, I can't do anything. I should like separate them like this, like all quarters here, all dimes here, pennies. I don't know how you girls do it with long nails. I can't do anything. I mean, I'm getting ready to get these nails off. But then again, I paid so much for them that I just want to leave them for a while longer. Okay, so let's see how much money we have. I've been keeping this little, I guess, tracking of the money that I have in here. So that's going to be 100, 200, 300, 400. 4, 5. 550. Okay, let's write that down here. Okay, 550. 20, 40, 60. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's another, wait, 550 plus 60, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's 100. So the 20s with the 10s, that's 100. So right now we have 650. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1,000. Well, no, that's 100. I'm telling you, I'm so bad at counting. Okay, that's 100. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 200. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 190. And how many fives? 1. No, why am I saying 1? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. For ones, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. It's a big stack. Okay. I don't even know if I should count the coins. 43. I'm not even going to count the coins. What if I need change one day and I'll just grab it from here. Okay. Okay, let's total everything up. We have 550 plus 100 plus 190 plus 100 plus 42 equals 982. Okay, not bad. Not bad, not bad. It's not a lot, but it's something. Okay, so I wrote down 982 and I put the date right there. Almost $1,000. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, let's put this away. Store it in a nice place. I know I said that I was going to talk to you about my delivery summer job. I guess I'll do a sneak peek. For those of you that guessed it, you guessed it right. I am doing DoorDash. It hasn't been going too well. But for the next video, I'm going to be telling you what the totals, what I've made, and then I'm going to tell you like what the distance is. And let me be honest with you, DoorDash is not what I thought it was, what I thought it would be. One time I made $8 an hour. The whole hour, just one delivery. It hasn't been going well at all. I just wanted some money in the summer and in the hopes of being able to pay my credit card, praying that I would be able to lower my credit card debt. But then I'm like, I don't know what else I could do. Like, I don't want to leave my son with a babysitter, but I do want to get like a side job. So we'll see how it goes, friends. I'll let you know if we're going to keep doing it or not, but I will go over it more in detail in the next video. Take care, friends. May God bless each and every one of you all. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.